I'm Marie Boquillon. I'm a PhD student and an assistant at the Institute of Educational Management of the Faculty of Psychology and Education of the University of Mons. I'm doing a thesis on teaching practices in order to improve the teacher training. We are observing things like what kind of questions are said, what kind of feedbacks do the future teachers use in front of their students. Do they check for understanding? Are they talking with each student and not only with 2 or 3 good students? That's things like that we can see with an observation. We have found that it's important to train future teachers to train to do specific teaching practices, specific professional gesture. For example, to train to check really the understanding of each student. That seems easy, but in fact not at all. In both labs we have observer and media recorder that allows us to record the movie and to score behaviors at the same time. We have also 4 IP cameras and microphones from the selling mics. They are very powerful because we hear really good all the people talking in the room. Me, I'm in the control room recording all of this and also scoring the behaviors of my future teachers. And we have also someone that has to observe his colleague with a pocket observer or something like that to check, for example, how his colleague is checking the understanding of the students.
Le destinataire.
The challenge is to find the just balance between an observation really precise on, for example, feedback, question, and a more general observation. Because if you are too precise, sometimes you miss a big thing in the lesson. In the interaction lab, we are discussing about the video and about the timeline in Observer, because I've scored the behaviors before. So what we are doing is to train other trainers to use the tools we have developed in order to observe and to improve the future teacher practices. So we want to train others to function like that in order that the future teachers are doing their best to help their students and at the end to make education better for all of that students.